Welcome to the discussion lecture on success story of entrepreneurs. My name is Dr. Devi Pian, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Herewith, we are going to discuss unit number 3, Success Story of Entrepreneurs. This unit concerned with MCOM Part 1st, Semester 2nd, Optional Paper, Small Business and Entrepreneurship Management, Paper 3, Group H. In this discussion, we may enlighten on successful entrepreneurs. This is our learning objective to focus successful entrepreneurs in India. You may refer syllabus of this subject. Success story we may inspire and motivate as a becoming successful entrepreneurs and for the doing business. The most famous entrepreneurs in India all have the same entrepreneurial spirit. Each of these entrepreneurs started with dream in a country that is known for producing successful entrepreneurs. They earned their million the hard way through hard work and dedication. Herewith, we consider some successful story and some story already mentioned in your syllabus. You may refer that story and you may collect or read some biography of successful entrepreneurs. First of all, we consider success story of Narayan Murthy, Honorable Narayan Murthy. Narayan Murthy is one of the founder of the Infosys Technology Limited. In 1999, Infosys became the first Indian company to be listed in NASDAQ. By the year 2006, the company employed over 50,000 people and the turnover $2 billion. Murthy has always believed that honesty, transparency and moral integrity are the key factor of the business, and he may awarded or get honor of different award and appreciations. Second success story of entrepreneurs, Rahul Bajaj. Rahul Bajaj is the chairman of Bajaj Group, which is one of the top 10 business group in India. His company has diversified interest in everything ranging from automobile to home appliances. After the recession and stock market collapse in 2001, Bajaj Auto was hit hard. However, the company reinvested itself and became the major success. Next story, successful story of Kiran Majumdar-Shaw. She is the chairman and managing director of Biocon Limited, the largest biotechnology company in India. Shaw started Biocon in 1978 in the rented garage space. Faced with the variety of problem and challenge since biotechnology was the new field of women entrepreneurs was very rare, Shaw overcome all the entrepreneurial barriers and made the Biocon a success. And this may be inspiration and we can say one light lamp for the women entrepreneurship development. Success story of entrepreneurs of Aziz Premji. He is the chairman of Wipro Technology, which is one of the largest software company in India. As a student, Premji was summoned home due to death of his father. During an annual meeting, a shareholder advised Premji to sell their shares. This made Premji even more determined to make the company a success. Today, Wipro Technology is the largest independent research and development service provider. This is one of the success story for the entrepreneurship development. Success story number 5, that is of Sarth Babu. He is an Indian entrepreneur, social worker and politician. He is an alumni in Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad and Birla Institute of Technology and Science. After completing his management education, Sarth Babu dedicated to become an entrepreneur with the aim of providing employment to as many people as possible. It is now located in 6 locations around India with a turnover of 8 crore. The first unit of Food King was opened by Mr. Narayan Murthy, founder of Infosys. Next success story of entrepreneurs, Lakshmi Nivas Mittal. The largest steel producer of the world, he managed his empire that employs some 1,65,000 workers. Lakshmi Mittal is an Indian-born British steel billionaire and one of the richest men in world. As of the March 2010, he is the first richest person in the world. He is the also richest person in Europe with the personal wealth of US $28.7 billion. And next story, success story of entrepreneurs of Ratan Tata. Ratan Tata is the former chairman of Tata Groups. The 21st century has last is this said, a true patron by the whom the Indian can be dreamed of the world contest virtue of intelligence entrepreneurship. Honored with the Padma Bhushan, one of the highest civilian award in 2000. Ratan Tata dream was manufacturer car costing rupees 1 lakh. He realized his dream by the launching Nano in New Delhi Auto Expo on January 2008. Finally, we want to conclude this discussion. In this discussion, we may enlighten on success story of successful entrepreneurs as Narayan Murthy, Lakshmi Narayan Mittal, Aziz Premji, Tata, and all this success story inspire to us for the doing business or startup in any business venture. In brief, it is stated that entrepreneur's success story who started with nothing, this will be surely inspire to us to become next successful Indian entrepreneurs. If you have any doubt, query, please contact me. My name is Dr. Devi PM, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. My mobile number 9049081926. Email ID is there, paresh84jan@redipmail.com. Thank you.